Who am I speaking with?
I'm Romain Guy from the Android framework team.
And Romain, you just gave a phenomenal presentation about, well, all the new features on ICS, Android 4. And I want to know, what are your personal favorite features? And you know what, you can brag and say the ones you worked on.
Yeah, I love graphics. So my favorite new feature for developers is the hardware accelerated pipeline. If you target the new API level in ICS, it's automatically enabled for your app, and it's going to go a lot faster. It will be a lot smoother. We'll also improve the animation framework, and you can create great animations in your applications.
And I was just talking with Chet about the animation. So tell me, what can you do now that you couldn't do before?
Something I love is so we have property animations. You can animate anything you want. So if you want to do an animation that's not in the framework, you can implement it now. You couldn't do that easily before. Now it's very easy. And we have a brand new API that makes it very easy to animate specific properties on views. So if you want to fade out a view, you just say view.animate.alpha0, and that's it. You're done. Like, you don't have to worry about it. It's much easier than before.
Are there any other features besides just the basic animation you really like?
We also have small layout transitions that make it really easy to create nice animated transitions whenever you change your layout. And we have new APIs all over the place. Like, we have a new layout, the grid layout. We have the improved fragments. It's really, you should look at the API diff. Like, there's something for everybody in there.
Right, I mentioned you have like an API to the calendar, so people can put items directly into the calendar instead of having to build this themselves.
Yeah, this is an API that has been requested for a long time, and we're really happy to finally deliver it to developers. And I know that a few developers are already pretty happy to have it.
And what about on the user side? What of all these services do you think our users going to love?
Again, it's all about the changes as a whole. Like, it feels more coherent, it's smoother, it's faster, it's easier to use. We have some wow effects, like the face unlock is really great. Like, it's all a lot of fun to use that every day. It's a little delight, like when you unlock your phone, to use that feature. Just the new effects you can use in the camera application, the way you can share more easily from the camera app. Everything just ties together into a brand new experience that's a lot of fun.
You've been doing test applications on the new features that you've created. My question is, has there been one that you really had sort of jumped out and you're like, oh, everyone's going to go gaga over this, or specifically developers are going to latch onto this and all use it?
Well, again, like, I can't latch onto a single feature because the experience as a whole is just so awesome. And all the new APIs we create, like, they are used internally by the new applications we ship on the platform. So I'm very excited to see what developers will come up with, because usually, the innovation that comes from the community is incredible, and they will do things that we have not thought about. So I'm excited to see the future results of our work.
Excellent, as am I. Hey, thanks so much for your time, Romain.
You're welcome.